Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest weekly review of Forex and stock markets from InstaForex's. The US stock indices declined on Friday as Wall Street remained unsettled over the lack of progress in budget negotiations on Capitol Hill. The Dow Jones Industrial lost 0.5% to 15,258.24 points. 25 out of 30 Dow components were going down, with the Cisco Systems Incorporated shares at the bottom of the list. At the end of the week, the indicator shed 1.3%. The S&P 500 eased 0.4% to 1,691.75 points. The materials sector showed the worst performance. The weekly decline was 1.1%. The S&P 500 rose to the record level on the 18th of September after the Fed left its quantitative easing program at $85 billion per month. The Nasdaq fell by 0.2% to 3,781.59, gaining 0.2% on the week. Shutdown politics were dominating in the investors' attention last week. Moreover, on the 17th of October, the country will hit its debt ceiling. Besides, the Thomson Reuters versus the University of Michigan's final read on consumer sentiment dropped to 77.5 from 82.1 points in August. However, economic data evoked no reaction in the market as it keeps a close eye on negotiations in the Congress. Before the opening of the Friday session, the stock index futures were going down amid higher consumer spending. The indicator gained 0.3% in August. The Yahoo quotes rallied 2.4% to close at $33.55 after the company backed up the partnership structure suggested by Alibaba, the Chinese e-commerce giant, preparing for the IPO of $15 billion. Yahoo is the second largest shareholder in Alibaba, owning 24% stake in the company. Apart from this, USB analyst Eric Sheridan hiked the price target to $37 from $30. The expert cited a potential increase in Alibaba value after the IPO. Elaborating on that, JCPenney's shares tumbled 13.2% to $9.05 after the company valued 84 million of its papers at $9.65 per share. Last several days were a difficult time for the retailer. Now more analysts are being pessimistic about the company's viability. For example, the experts from Citigroup estimated Penny's total liquidation at $324 million or $1 per share. This was the latest weekly review of Forex and stock markets from InstaForex. Thank you and goodbye.